Super Jumbo 18676 random team. After 5 times, team on top's going to go to Rick Mahoney. Whew, Darren Klein will get the team at the bottom. Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Royals down to, I want to see you be Cubs. Saved. Underwear, you picked up your spots. Let's go. Ringer, I want you to make sure you're resting well during this break, please. Oh, just forget it. I don't know why I tried to make that easy on myself. That's me. Well, we know who you're looking for, Iceman. No comment, but probably. Is anyone else, well, I mean, is everyone else going to ask Dimmy what happened? Because he's explained the story about 4 times, and I'm sure he doesn't want to keep talking about how bad Chelsea are. Oh, nice ringer. He's been watching the game, and he's copped a message from Bailey halfway through saying, "We've got this. They look like they're on toast tonight." And then what's happened? They've lost to this team that doesn't even have a goalkeeper or something. They're just not a real team. And he's just jumped down the stairs, head first. Because he knew as soon as Bailey said that, he is the curse maker, the cooler, the Iceman. Bailey Brown destroyed any chance that Chelsea then had to win that game. I'm sure there's a reason they do it like this, but for me it's the dumbest packaging in world sport. Good luck. Oh my God, I said it twice. That's how much it is. Good luck. I'm not sorting these, so every card is going to ship from this break. Okay, see you, Diane George. So long, Stinktown. Into the refractors, Brando Mayer, Rhett Lauder. Louder, butt liquor. Coupe, Pete, Almeida, Hook, Francisca, Hurley. First auto is Garrett Forrester for the P, which means Pirates. Confirm Jason Nolan, Astros. Let's check. Jason Nolan in spot 4. You have the Astros. That is correct. Transformative talent, Felon Celestin. Okay. Matt Shaw. No. Jesus, Munch is feral. He's coming in here threatening violence. Trosa. Wiggins. Crowell. Lord. Denton. Riggio. Aquero. Redfield. Enrique Bradfield Jr. Little green lava or aqua lava. I don't know. Not numbered? No. 96 of 109. That's for the Orioles. Just chuck it in the bio, Dimmy. All those girls on there will think you're talking about a girl called Chelsea, and they'll be like, that bitch. I'll look after you, Dimmy. You don't need her anymore. And then Dimmy's off. He's on. Super match. Everybody. This is the no refractor pack because you get this Jacob Gonzalez of stained glass and Max Clark 38 of 125. If you tune in late, every card will ship from this. Drew Jones, what happened to him? He was the big hit last year, right? How did he go in this last season? First overall pick, Paul Skeens. Now, this is the guy dating Olivia Dunn. Most of you will probably know her, but you might not know him. Blake Riley, our good friend Blake, thinks that he looks like him. Now, Blake, I don't know, man. There's not a lot of Blake about that, is there? Colt Keith, transformative talent, 68 of 99. Oh, no. I'll get it, don't worry. Blake way hotter. Oh, that's making me even more upset. Purple at the back of this one. 19th overall pick is Braden Taylor, and the purple is Baez, 7'4", 250. Chicken salad. Yes, I like that ringer. I had a chicken salad today as well. Dinner, TBD. Third overall pick is Max Clark. And Vaquero, 134 of 109. I don't know what that variation is called. It's one of the moon ones, I think, but it's a nice little purpley type colour. Dale the Whale comedy show's on. What have I missed? I don't know if that's a punch or I'm not sure. And if you've just tuned in and you haven't seen the background, then it is a punch. Little numbered paper one coming up here. It's green style. And it is 48 of 109, Justin Crawford. I forgot to get some new trays. We're back to the refractors. Churio, Ceballos, Crawford, Rima, Green, Vetrano, Bowman, Marudis, Cam Fisher. And that's for the Astros. That's our man in the chat. What's his name? Was it Jason? It was Jason Nolan. You get that, Cam Fisher. Paul Skeens, that's Blake Riley, apparently. Chicken and broccolini. Munch, how was the date with Dale? Maybe he's better looking in real life. Forgettable. Oh. Yeah. Why is he asking so many questions? 20 of 499, Connor Burns. If it's full, Wayne, yeah. Wasn't forgettable for me, Dimmy, but... Oh, well. Montez, Pickney, Johnson, Winokur, De Los Santos, Floyd, Basallo, Bradford Jr., and Pickney auto for the Nationals. Refractor auto. Jacob Wilson, Langford. Oh yeah, WWE is after this. Prism. That'll be a quick one. Fernandez, Sullivan, Picard, shout outs to Star Trek. Cooler, Lindsay, Ewing, Wood, Ingle, auto of Luke Schleiger for the Giants. Schleiger. Keith and Holiday. Last pack or last half pack, inner pack. Royals and Reds letting the team down. All right, we're going to get a Royals card right soon. Maybe. That covers everything. I just want Tom Brady. I'll take a base. We're going to be finishing with a green. I'll tell you that much. Fourth overall, Wyatt Langford, Rangers. And the green is Fernandez for the Rockies. 9 of 99. And that is it for 18676.